Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson. And so today I'll be teaching you how to play I'll Sing by Don Moen. Alright, so I play the song normally in the key of C and I give you a full piano tutorial of it, alright? Lord, it seems so far away, a million miles or more, if we still there. But I will put my trust in you, knowing that you will die to set me free. But I don't know what to say, I don't know where to stand. But as you give the grace, with all that's in my heart, I will sing, I will pray. Even in the darkest to the sorrow and the pain, I will sing, I will sing. Even in my darkest to the sorrow and the pain, I will sing. Alright guys, so that's just the first chorus and so that's just the first verse and the chorus. Alright, so the second chorus is the same, and so that's it guys. So song is a very simple one. So the intro, let me start with the intro. The intro is 6, alright, 6 4 1 5, okay, 6 4 1 5, right? So alright, it's E A B C, okay, that's 6. Okay, so when you do that, then you do it again, A C, you come now to the 4, okay, somehow like a 9, added 9. So while you're playing your added 9, A, F, C, F, you play, that's F, G, and A. Alright, so alright, when you do this, you now place a G, okay, G, F, you come to C, alright, C added 9, alright, that's C, D, E, and G. Okay, when you play that, now you play D, C, G, okay, you come to G, alright. Then the second time you still do the same thing. Just that I added something. It's like a passing chord, like D, E major to get to the 6. D, C, G. All right. You can just play something like B, C, B, C, B, G. Alright. So when you do that, so that's all about the intro. play something. Yeah, you can still play this one. C, C9, C9, C. Okay, D, C, G, E, D, C, G. Okay, now you go. Lord, it seems so far away, a million miles or more, if He is today. Alright, so that one, you see the same chord progression. Now, but this time, yeah, C6. Lord is C, the 4, the 1, the 5. Alright. Yeah, we see do this thing. But I will put my trust in you, knowing that to that to say, knowing that to that to say me free. Alright, now, but I don't know what to say. That one is a beat, chord is just 4, and but I don't know what to form. 1, know where to stand. Again 4. But as you give the grace, I'm playing inversion. But as you give the grace, now we go to the 5. With all that's in my heart, with 5 in my heart. Now I will sing 6. I will praise 66, 6. Even in my darkest, even in my darkest. We go to 3. 3, first inversion. Now we'll go to the 4. To the sorrow on the 5, I will sing, I will praise the on 6. Lay my hands to 1 or 3, and 4 and 5, I will sing. Alright guys, so that's a breakdown of that song. I hope you learned something, and please do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.